Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our most respectful parents and little learners of Senior Montessori, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and feeling fresh and energetic to learn new lessons. My name is Rabia Ayub, and on behalf of Multan Public School and College, I am here to teach you English for class Senior Montessori. A very warm welcome back to all our online learners after a 1-month summer break. Okay, little learners of Senior Montessori, in the last video before our summer break, we had learned about capital letter F and small letter sound. And today we are going to begin. We are going to do a new letter, but before starting with our new letter, let's revise. Let's do reinforcement of enrich your vocabulary through reading. We're going to do reinforcement of capital letter F and small letter sound. So let's start. Okay, little learners, we are on page number 43 of our Senior Montessori book level 1. And as you can see, the heading says enrich your vocabulary, and in the center you can see the capital letter F and small letter sound, and you are so much familiar with these letters and sound. Okay, so let's start reading. Fish, farm, fire, flag, frock, football, flower, face, feather, frog. Okay, let's move forward and see what we are doing today. Okay, little learners, I have new letter for you today, and we are going to enrich your vocabulary through reading. Let's have a look. We are on page number 49 of our Senior Montessori book level 1, and as you can see on the screen, it says enrich your vocabulary, and this is a new letter, capital letter G and small letter sound G. Name is G and sound is G. Okay, so shall we start reading the vocabulary beginning with sound G? Okay, G, gate, G, gate, G, gate, G, goose, G, goose, G, goose, G, garden, G, garden, G, garden, G, guitar, G, guitar, G, guitar, G, glasses, G, glasses, G, glasses, G, gloves, G, gloves, G, gloves, G, girl, G, girl, G, girl, G, gift, G, gift, G, gift, G, globe, G, globe, G, globe, G, gold, G, gold, G, gold. Okay, little learners, now we are going to read all this vocabulary beginning with sound G individually. Let's start. Gate. G, gate. G, goose. Goose is a bird. It's similar to duck, but it's not duck, it's goose. G, goose. G, garden. G, garden. Beautiful garden over here. Do you like it? I love it. G, guitar. It is a musical instrument. G, guitar. G, guitar. G, glasses. G, glasses. When our eyes are weak, we wear glasses. But mostly our grandparents, we see them, they wear glasses. They have weak eyes. Okay? G, glasses. G, gloves. G, gloves. G, gloves. We wear gloves in winter to keep our hands warm. G, girl. G, girl. G, girl. Very pretty girl. G, gift. G, gift. G, gift. We get gift when it is our birthday, or it is Eid day, or any other happy occasion. G, globe. G, globe. G, globe. G, gold. G, gold. G, gold. Okay, little learners, now I have writing task and homework for you on page number 50, 51, 52 and 53 of our Senior Montessori book level 1. Here we are on page number 50. You're going to do self-writing of capital letter G and small letter sound G. As you can see here, day and date is mentioned. So we're going to fill in day and date. And the first line, you will trace the capital letter G and small letter sound G. And the next two lines, you will do self-writing practice of capital letter G and small letter sound G. And we are going to do similarly more practice of capital letter G and small letter sound G on page number 51. Okay, little learners, now more practice of writing of capital letter G and small letter sound G on page number 52, and similarly on page number 53. Respected parents, discussion time for this video lesson is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Thank you very much. Okay, little learners, now time for me to fly away. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Stay home and stay safe.